Starting the weekend off by Friday date night in a snowstorm. Gotta love it. It's quite the moment for us.
Say hi. She wants potato. I got a beautiful pocket letter today from Tracy. Isn't this pretty? It's all set for St. Patrick's Day. Look at the little pot of gold. Luck of the Irish. I need some luck right now. And some little goodies in the back.
I need help from you. Thank you. Thank you. I like pocket letters. Thank you.
This is what I watch on TV lately. Yep. And this is who I watch TV with. Good morning. Well, today's Tuesday, and I haven't been on very much for a while. Sorry about that. It's just been kind of crazy here. I really have no news to tell you. Went on the scale the other day, and nothing's changed. I actually went up a half a pound, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but I haven't been 100% potatoes like I should be, and starting today I will be, because yesterday I kind of ate, well, I did eat off. I wasn't very proud of myself. I was actually mad at myself, because this potato challenge is supposed to teach you how to eat properly, how to eat, stay away from all these junk foods, and you know, get rid of the cravings, cleanse your body, whatever. And I'm gonna say I'm not 100%, and I should be. It's very difficult. It's easier for some, and when you've done it already and you've been off the plan for a little bit, going back on is even harder. So I am 100% today, starting today. Again, hey, you know, if you don't succeed, try again, right? So I am just strictly potatoes and no sauces. Those darn sauces, they get to me every time. Even though it's salt-free, even though it has a little bit of sugar in it, it still gets to me. It still says, eat more, eat more, eat more. I'm just going to stick to the herbs and spices. That's it. Like, you know, this morning, I don't even remember what I ate yesterday, but this morning when I woke up, I feel like I was poisoned. I feel like my head is pounding from the salt. My head is pounding. I feel bloated. My hands ache. They feel, you know, all puffy. I just feel, and I had some bathroom issues, which if I don't eat right, it goes right through me, no matter what. So I'm going to be drowning myself in water all day and to get rid of this bloat, because the salt is what's giving me the headache. I'm pretty darn sure of it. So yeah, I feel like I was poisoned. So today is a new day. I don't remember what day potatoes I'm on, but I almost feel like I should start from day one, but I won't. I mean, I'm still on potatoes, but I'm not going to add anything in. And I'm not going to add anything in until the day that May, whenever we get settled in our new apartment, is when I will start adding in some vegetables, and just vegetables, just greens. That's it. I am done feeling like shit. Done. So, Even my, my lips are dry. Ugh. Anyway, I'm whining. So today is Tuesday. It's early. It's always early. I didn't get up early enough and Miss Tinky peed on the floor. She doesn't do that very often, but she did. Anyway, we're getting a blizzard today, a nor'easter. And yeah, we're probably going to get 16 to 20 inches of snow. I'm just going to stay and look at it through the window. I am not going anywhere. I'm not shoveling. I'm not going to do anything outside unless I absolutely have to, but I'm not going anywhere. So, what else am I going to do? I might do a little bit of crafting. I'm prepping my potatoes right now. I have baked potatoes in the oven, I have fries in the oven, and I have potatoes boiling over on the stove as I speak. I can hear it boiling over. Miss Tinkerbell is sound asleep next to me on the couch. And that is that. I'm going to make my second cup of coffee, and I will talk to you later. Bye. I'm going to check out my fries. Nope, not ready. There's today's menu. Along with my mashed potatoes. I was whispering because everyone's still sleeping. Everyone took the day off because of the blizzard coming, and it's starting already, and it's what, 6:30. So I didn't want to wake anybody up. So I'm trying to cook in the oven and keep an eye on it because I don't want the smoke alarm to go off that normally goes off a lot when I cook in the oven. I don't know. The oven's clean. It's just that the smoke alarms are too close to the oven. I don't know what the problem is, but that'll wake everyone up. Oh, you really can't tell too much right now, but it's just starting to snow. We'll see how it looks later on today. Breakfast at Champions right here. Just plain potatoes. Yum.
It jumped from 1,400 to 10,000, all the way up to about 23, 24,000 just while the governor was talking.
15 minutes time. Yeah, that's nothing. And, they said that was one of the things at the outset that they were worried about with these high winds and that heavy wet snow. And it turns out, and they were just reminding folks to make sure not to call 911, but your power carrier if you're having trouble. So clearly they're having a little bit of trouble with that there, listener.
And we've heard that they can reroute some power in some cases, so they're optimistic and they're going to be working.
Windy, windy, windy. Electricity is out. It's gonna be a long day.
Can't be the cape. This is the trunk.
He has a trunk?
Yeah.
Oh, is he an elephant trunk?
No, he's gonna be with the plate.